Okay, we're here. We're opening metal readers. There's only 5 on.
Team versus
and 10 feral servant.
They know who we are.
No.
Yeah, they're on our
they
page.
know who we are.
They're on our page.
Subscribe.
Unless you randomly random.
Then read the username.
Shameless, yeah. Shameless promotion. Here, just looking for a hollow mirror force. If I pull out a hollow counter,
I call Solo.
I have a solo.
Exactly, that's why I call
These
it.
are hard.
That's what she said. That is what she said. That is also what she said.
How would she help me like that?
Who knows?
Tú ábrela entonces.
Damn. Do this shit.
I didn't want to rip him like that, like a bestia, I swear. Okay, I'm not gonna name him because, yeah.
Ooh, shield and sword. Nice.
It's the only rare.
Joey's best card.
Hey, don't just sell it. Twin-headed King Rex.
His best card was
Dark
a baby dragon.
Dark Beginning 2, but besides Dark Beginning 2.
That's it.
Come on.
That's some. How come they released the Cybersaurus? You're supposed to use Two-Headed King Rex and Blast Juggler.
Well, back then they didn't make sense, remember?
Alright. Fight them.
Okay. Oh!
Harpy Lady Sisters.
I mean, they suck, but still. Nice.
Oh, crap, that was hollow? I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Wait, they do Hollow and Rare?
Thunder Dragon!
I guess they...
Oh, they're reprints.
Yeah. Because I want to spell, right? Yeah, it's a spelling. Turn off the video now.
just go find another video.
Yeah, like the ones of me opening all of this shit.
Alright.
Not that, though. Not that.
You don't want me to hold the phone for you?
Maybe.
Ooh, Dark Elf. Sucks.
I thought it was.
I needed a fucking jellyfish.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
I needed.
Yes, really.
I need the stupid unhappy maiden.
Oh, Niwa, yeah.
The Niwatori card!
Niwatori.
Isn't that when they go in that virtual video?
Yeah.
I don't get it. Was it like was it the shit or was it evil? Or?
No, they needed to cross the desert.
You're riding fat shit across the desert.
Oh, I guess that's okay.
Yeah, I have it in my shop.
Ooh!
I
I call it.
You're welcome, bitch.
I needed this.
I will trade you for it. I will trade you for
I
it.
needed
Eduardo
for it.
No, I will trade him for it
Okay,
because I've been wanting.
I won't offer Frank because I ain't getting.
I'll trade him a Solomon something else.
And the mirror for snake.
Imagine, buddy.
I wouldn't mind because mine is already like secured somewhere else.
Yeah, I want that. That is my. I will trade him my super one and something else for it.
I needed a fucking Pharaoh Bog. This is good.
Oh!
No,
Follow
heavy.
Staples of the Aster. What?
Yeah.
Oh, not literally. Hopefully.
Call dips on heavy.
Okay, you're
welcome.
Okay, so
Right.
you
see the hollow?
You're gonna end that one and
Yeah,
start
just
a new
end
one?
it.
Next
No,
time.
So the rare
It's barely 2 minutes, dude.
So the rare is white magical hat.
Okay, just put the
Oh wait,
hollows
you're
over
right.
there.
I thought it was already okay.
No, end it because that way they titled on the
Déjame pongo esa mano.
No,
Already titled.
I'll put retro pack
Okay.
opening.
Pharaoh Servant too?
Of course.
Can I open one?
Oh, you still going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's another rare. There's another hollow.
Oh,
the
the
Harpy
Harpy.
Lady.
She sucks, but you know,
Kirby.
you gotta leave her in here.
She barely looked hollow.
She looks fake.
Come on, Jesus again?
She is fake. It's because I don't want to like
Help
read
him out.
there.
Help him out.
Ooh, mamadas! Okay, this one's opened okay. This is also why I needed these, because I need the booster pack so I could like put it next to
Okay,
the cards.
this isn't about your life story. This is about the cards.
Sergio, tampoco tú, güey.
Seriously, I'm Yuki if he was born in the 21st century in a world that
you gotta
isn't
pleasure your girl. Your hands get wet.
And you didn't have bipolar disorder.
Red Moon Baby.
Maybe.
There's a good combo with Red Moon Baby. You're supposed to use Buster Rancher, the one that increases your
Yeah.
attack by 25, and then you just steal Stardusts and shit. Okay, these guys are opening shit for me, so that's awesome.
Hell yeah.
Solemn Wishes.
This is a team
Enchanted.
effort.
Hopefully a Jinzo wouldn't be
Ooh,
that
that's
bad.
not bad.
Here, look. I even opened it kind of.
Jinzo would be pretty cool.
Okay.
Nah, Irvin's is better.
Yeah, that one's pretty
There you go.
perfect.
Okay, leave one without opening it.
Yeah, stop
Oh,
opening it.
Force requisition? Oh, I'm only pulling
Yeah, how
it
much
there,
do these cost you?
$12 for all of them.
Oh, yeah, you pretty much stole them.
The guy
Oh,
gave
did
it
we?
to us like that.
Did you already open it?
Did you guys buy the last
He said
two?
just take all of them.
Yeah, I'm getting rid of them.
He's like, if you take
And
all
you're
of them, we'll give
welcome
it for
to
$12.
Oh, damn it.
Oh my god.
Michizuri? So
Yeah.
that is
You put in the wrong pile, didn't you?
I know, I put it in the wrong pile.
Oh, okay. Like,
Stop putting your hands in. Except for
Alright,
you,
too
Irvin.
many hands, too many
except for
hands.
me?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm special.
Don't say that in the internet. Watch how many trolls.
Ooh, Saddam
I know you're special.
I
Really
want the
bad.
clothes.
Can I get that? I need that for machine deck.
Which one?
7 completed.
If I don't have an extra one, then yes. I mean, if I...
Maybe.
Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say.
So Jay's a little bit on crack, so just
Yeah, it hasn't worn off.
Since last year.
I blame the pizza.
wrong pile again.
No hollow? Come on.
Here, let me open one.
How much did you pay for this
Can I
again?
open one, Jesus?
$12 for everything.
$12 for everything? No wonder he gave them to you easily.
No, it was 18.
But he got the solemn out of it and the head.
That's
Hey,
true.
let me- wait, go back to the buy shoes.
Why are you doing that? Oh.
Alright, let me open one before Judas gets...
Everyone will get the wrappers out of the way.
Alright.
Okay, this
Give me
one.
no.
Alright, get the rabbits out of the way.
Alright, get the rabbits out of the way.
Yeah, look like that thing right there. Point at him. Point at him. No. Point at him. I don't
Oh!
Imperial
Too bad
Order.
it's banned!
Hey, don't hate. I
But he's
needed
collecting it though.
You're still welcome.
See?
Hey guys,
Bitch.
Beat the tower. Get him over there.
guys, beats the Tower War.
You shouldn't be opening packs
See,
away from
Jesus?
it. He's
one. No, that's
killed the
fine. That's fine.
fun.
Okay, and
No,
this
no,
is
no, no,
kinda
no.
killed it
the
already.
last one.
Is there anything in that bag?
Just cut it off.
See, this is how I wanted it, so that it kind of looks like it's not open, and then
Yeah.
you're like,
Do it.
Okay.
Do
Do
it.
it, dude. Do it. Ooh.
Oh, there we go. Nice.
That was not a bad
is that a
bag.
hollow Nobleman?
Yeah.
I missed that shit.
Alright, so
Okay, so
basically what pulled out
yeah.
Imperial Order, Beast of Tower, Solemn Judgment, which shall be mine,
Heavy
Storm,
Called
Harpy Lady Sister, and Nobleman of Crossout.
And these are all the rares.
And again,
And all of these packs cost us like $12. Awesome.
But just remember, don't do drugs.
Exactly, yeah.
Cause then-
You end up like
cause then-
Jesus.
No, don't do drugs, because then you get financial aid and you can buy
Alright, alright. I'm gonna end the video now.
Herb Dirt.
Anything?
First the world out.
Alright.